Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to help you with how to use sodium apple for breast that is not flowing milk after child's delivery, ear infections, and skin tags. So, the herb that you are seeing on the screen is what we call the sodium apple. Scientifically, it is called the Calotropis procera. And then when you come to Ghana, the Akans call it the Wagashi Ahaban. When you go to Nigeria, the Nigerians call it Ewe Bom Bom. It is a very common herb. It is commonly found around people's homes, and then also it is found around streets. If you go to nearby bushes too, you can find it. A lot of people have grown it in their homes because when you grow it in your home, it drives away negative energy. It also drives away scorpions and snakes. For this particular herb, it is very useful. Even when you have snake bite or scorpion bite, and then you grind it and apply on it, you see that you'll be very free. And then also, if you're having pains in your legs or any pain at all on any part of your body that is very stubborn, just tie this particular herb on it, on that part for some time or overnight. You see that that pain will go away. That is why a lot of people have planted it in their homes. If you are having some problems and then like maybe you have problem in your feet, then you put the sodium apple leaf under your feet and you wear socks on it to sleep, the problem will just leave your feet for you. So those people who are always saying that they are feeling some burning sensations and tinglings in their feet, if you are such that you just get this particular herb and you put under your feet and wear socks on it, that problem will be a thing of the past. So there are a lot of things we can say about the sodium apple, but today I want us to concentrate on the three uses of it, and then in the next video we shall also talk about other uses of it for time's sake. So let's start with skin tags. If you are such that you have skin tags on your body, all that you are supposed to do is that you just pluck the leaf. You see, this leaf is such that, or this plant is such that when you pluck the leaf, there's a whitish substance from it. So that whitish substance is what you are going to apply on the skin tag. You are going to apply it twice daily for about 3 to 5 days. You see that that problem will just leave you. That skin tag will be no more, or it will not be on your skin again. So please kindly ensure that if you have skin tag or you have somebody who is having a skin tag, you let the person use this particular herb. But please kindly ensure that the whitish substance from it does not touch your eyes, because when it touches your eyes, you may go blind. So please kindly ensure that you prevent the whitish substance from it from touching your eyes as best as possible as you can. Please kindly ensure that you do that. If you had a skin tag on your face and you are applying this, be very, very, very careful. So that is how you use it for skin tags. Now let's look at how you can also use it for ear infection. So for those people who have ear infection and then you have put everything possible inside your ear, but still you have the ear infection, all that you are supposed to do is that you get the ripened sodium apple leaves. So if you get the ripened one, the leaves, when it ripes, it will be yellow. So when it is yellow like that, what you are going to do is that you bring it near fire. So the fire, it is very preferable that you get charcoal fire. But if you cannot get charcoal fire and then you get any smokeless fire, you can just use it. So you bring it near fire and then it will become very soft. So when it becomes soft like that, you now squeeze the juice from it into your ears. You are going to do that twice daily. And then I can assure you that by 7 days, that stubborn ear infection will be nowhere to be found. And then you bring your testimony on my Facebook page, The Remedist. So that is how you are going to use it for ear infection. And then let's look at those women who are such that when they give birth, they try every best possible, or they try every means to be able to get breast milk for their children, but or their baby. and then it becomes very difficult for them. If you are such that you experience that, or any family member is experiencing that, the sodom apple leaf is your savior. All that you are supposed to do is that you are going to blend some of the leaves with water, or you can grind it, or you can pound it with water. And then after pounding, the juice from it is what you are going to use. You are going to use it to wash the breast. So after washing the breast with it for about 5 minutes, just allow it to dry. And then I can assure you that by 2 hours, your breast will start flowing milk. But if after 2 hours it does not flow the milk, please kindly ensure that you continuously do it for about 3 days. And then I can assure you that at most by 3 days, you are going to see that your breast will start flowing milk for you to feed your baby with it. So these are just three uses of the sodom apple leaves that I want to tell you today, or I want to teach you today, so that you also use it. But in our next video, we shall also talk about some other uses of the sodom apple. For time's sake, I want to make this one very short. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel, and then wait for the other benefits of the sodom apple. In the next video, I shall talk about how to use it for problems like diabetes and stuff. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel, and then you also invite your friends and family to subscribe, and then share the video to benefit others. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.